Hi everyone, I'm szenanphua from Center of Balance, the acupuncturist. Today I'm going to share with you what is my lunch. Okay, here you go. For my mom, so I have black bean with rice out of garden. So how many color do I have today? So black 1, red 2, green 4, and white 3 or 4. Yeah, 4 different color. It's very healthy lunch. And I also have mung bean soup with kumara, right? So those two are for my mom, and this is actually from my mother-in-law. Look at this, dessert, walnut. And I'm not quite sure with this one, but I think it's pretty much is lime flavor, right? So you see, vegan, you can eat a lot of yummy thing, and you have to plan it. Stay awesome. I'm